Test. Morning. How's everybody doing? AK in the house. You guys can hear me. See my screen. Just give me a heads up. Market is open right now. Goldman Sachs up $2. Let's see how those weekly 390s are doing. Weekly 390s. We gave for Project 303. They're about 130 right here. And nothing too crazy. Vodafone up 8 cents. All the Chinese internet names are down. So we got out of XPV yesterday for a small profit. So that trade is a winner now. Express up, Wells Fargo higher, Goldman up to 60, Goldman calls are up to 130, NWSA, Wells Fargo, nothing has hit the scanner yet today. DD down, PDD down, VIAC down, Canoe higher, PBF higher, eBay we took off yesterday, we can remove that one. ATR scan trade from yesterday, triple my money in that one. Let me go into the notes tab. Boom, boom, boom. I've started doing positions again. Yesterday we had a trade on in, so we had a Project 303 trade and we have one ATR trade left. So let me put that in the notes tab. I'll try to start doing these again. I apologize. It's hard for me to track like 5 million things. Day trades, nothing so far today. ATR trade, one trade tripled my money. Another trade I lost on. But Wells Fargo's still not over, so there's a chance it could come back. Futures up 8. Goldman up 2.25 to away. Weekly 15s trading here. Volume less than open interest. Saw some Macy's calls trading here. So today, pretty flat day for the most part. All the Chinese NNI names are going lower. No positions on those right now for the portfolio. Not looking for any August premium, guys. So August premium kills. Not looking for any August premiums, really. We did see some Macy's September calls being bought yesterday. There's an option hacker late in the day. So those were the 17th, 2021, 18 calls. You can see the open interest here. 36,000 Macy's calls being bought. A big order in Macy's calls being bought. For 1450 Club, let's look at our portfolio real quick. We have 5-minute bar closing here in about 3 minutes. 1450 Club, portfolio. Vodafone, let's see where those are. Those are September, 17 calls. Market showing a little bit of weakness. Those are 35 cents. We got a unit at 25. And then PBF calls are basically unchanged. So we have 2 open positions on. So 2 open positions on for 1450 Club, guys. 2 open positions, Vodafone and PBF. A lot of weakness so far today. I wouldn't be looking to buy anything in any of the Chinese internet names. Billy, the AUG 105s, those hit profit target number 1. No thank you. Those are 80 cents right now. So they hit at 113. They went up to $2. Back down. 5-minute bars. Most likely we might get a signal in Tesla, but that's about it. I'm down today. I have a pretty big position in INFI. I have a covered call on that one, so still can get some that time decay out of those. Stocks up to 270. Still up over $1,000 since this trade. NEO, I'm not looking. So with the Chinese internet names being very weak today, I'm not really looking for anything to the long side. I'm running 10 proprietary-based scanners. We've seen no signals on any scanner. 5-minute bar closes here in a minute. Goldman, we are holding. We probably should have got out of those this morning like 130. They're back down to $1. Wells Fargo, I have an ATR trade. Those are down to about 7 cents. We took 2 ATR trades. One tripled in value, which was eBay. And then one might go to 100% loser. So that would still be good for 100% profit. One 200% winner and then one 100% loser. ERJ trading here, nothing to do with that one. PDD down to $1.18. 5-minute bar closes in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tesla might be the only one. Tesla is a buy. So this is a bull 5-minute bar. Buy in Tesla, guys. So you can buy Tesla right here, right now. 719.77. Tesla is a buy. 719.77. Tesla is a buy. 719.77. You can buy in the money call spreads, or you can buy out of the money calls. Tesla is a buy. Tesla is a buy here. Apple, bear bar under the cloud, nothing to do. Amazon, nothing to do. Alibaba getting smacked, nothing to do. Facebook, no signal. Google, no signal. So we have 1.5, and let me look at Netflix. No signal. Selling pressure in all the FANG names, but Tesla's the buy. We'll track this from this level. 5-minute bar long. Buy Tesla, 719, 77. Sell MOC. Tesla's on its buy. Tesla's on its buy. 5-minute bar long. Tesla on its buy. 5-minute bar long. We will track that from that level. 5-minute bar long in the Tesla. Goldman moves about $9 a day. So, and if the market sells off, Goldman will probably sell off with it. Las Vegas Sands, new 52-week low. 5-minute bars yesterday. We had 3 signals, 2 winners. Tesla is a buy, 719, 77. So yesterday, 3 5-minute bar longs, 2 winners, 1 loser. So yesterday, 3 5-minute bar longs, 2 winners, 1 loser yesterday. 3 5-minute bar longs yesterday, 2 winners, 1 loser. We had a great day trade in eBay. Goldman, weekly 390s are down to 80 cents. If you wanted to take a stop loss, you can. Mara 30s being bought here. We don't really have anything on. We took off Edit yesterday on the 45s. The Edit trade is over. They're down to 70 cents. I do have a cover call on Express. That one's a winner. Cover calls actually have been working well. So day trades and cover calls have been working out best. Play weekly 31.5 puts being bought, small 500 lot. VIAC, AUG 40s. I'm not really looking for anything in VIAC unless it's really cheap. So Goldman's going to get stopped in 303 at 80 cents, guys. Goldman's going to get stopped at 303 at 80 cents. So Goldman, we're going to be out of Goldman here. Stopped in Goldman Sachs at 80 cents. So 303, we're taking it off at 80 cents. Pinterest, interesting, guys. Next week, 60s in Pinterest, guys. Pinterest, next week, 60s being bought. Pinterest, next week, 60s. Volume, less than open interest. Volume, less than open interest, guys. Pinterest. Pinterest, guys, interesting order. I'm not taking these. You made money in Goldman, great trading. We're out of Goldman. That trade is a loser in Goldman for 303. The trade is a loser in Goldman at 303. Crohn's just not working right now. I think that's one of our bonus trades. So Goldman, we're out for a loser. It was a winner yesterday. And 50, 23. So one trade this month for 303, one losing trade this month. Edit down. We took off Edit. Billy down. Macy's is down. I would take some Macy's calls at 60 cents. Zynga puts being bought. No, thank you. So they bought a big buyer, guys, of Macy's. Sep 17th, 2021, 18 calls. Macy's calls were bought. Macy's calls were bought. FLR down. X calls being sold. A lot of weakness today. It doesn't feel like the market's up today. The VIX is 19.5. VIX is 19.5. Futures down on the day. Wow. Futures down on the day here. I'm actually looking to buy some Goldman calls at like 30 cents. So Goldman here, guys. I'm going to go 30 bid for a 10 lot. Goldman calls. I'm going 30 bid here. I'll take a flyer on $300 worth. So Goldman, guys, I'm going to go 30 bid here. I don't even think at 50 they're that bad. I said, AK, you can't buy 10 of these. You don't have 300 bucks. Why? I have available dollars of 3,200. Unless I hit 100. Oh, they won't let me day trade. Ha! I mean, if you want to rebuy Goldman at 50, I don't think they're bad guys. If you want to rebuy Goldman here at 50, so we got out at 80. If you want to rebuy these at 50, at 30 cents, 50 cents, 50 cents, I think a rebuying Goldman's okay here, guys. 50 cents, I think a rebuying Goldman's fine here. GameStop getting close to the 100 level. Tesla down, so that would be a 5-minute bar loser right now. Wouldn't mind seeing a little bit more shakeout to the downside, but Goldman, keep an eye on these. At around 30 cents, 40 cents, even maybe 50. I think these are good. So Goldman Sachs this week 390s. Has a $9 ATR, so if the low is in for the high is in for the day in Goldman, Goldman in theory could get to 372. Wow. So Goldman could get to 372. 10 scanners, no signals. This is how the summer is going to be for us. I don't like it. Yesterday, day trade scanner was fire. Day trade scanner has been the best scanner we have so far lately, guys. You got a lot of signals yesterday, too. Rocket 18's trading here, small. TIGR trading here, nothing to do. Macy's down, Morgan Stanley down, Billy down, Express I can remove. Planeteer this week 22.5 trading here, 23 cents. Those are interesting. Volume less than open interest. So we want volume to be greater than open interest in all trades, guys. PLTR, Goldman Sachs signals GS. PLTR 22.5s. PLTR 22.5s at 22 cents. Volume less than open interest. Getting into Goldman around the 30-cent level, I think is a good do. You get 3.5 days for 30 cents. Stock would have to rally 15 bucks, but INFI down. Vodafone up on the day. We'll still have some set calls on that. Tesla, we had a 5-minute bar long in Tesla. Today could be another reversal day, guys. The Delta variant is heating up. Tesla, we had a buy, 719.77. Tesla buy, 719.77. We're looking for a move higher here in Tesla. KPTI, AUG 7.5 trading here, nothing to do. Damn. Just nothing on any of my scanners. PDD down. BABA down 7. Goldman down 360. Got out of Goldman at 80. They're down to 45. Kramer, what do you have to say for us? We do a bonus trading today. I don't see that Marvel day trade, guys. I'm assuming it's Marvel. I don't see a Marvel day trade. I don't see anything hitting the tape. Is it this week 63s? Anything at 63s. What price did they hit at? I'll buy them for 14. Oh, they're not gonna let me day trade. We have a day trade here, Marvel. Thank you. I don't know why my scanner's not showing this, but Marvel 63s hitting the tape, I guess. Marvel sitting at 63s hitting at 14 cents, guys. Targets will be 18 to 22. MRVL, guys. Calls hitting the tape, and MRVL. That is Marvell. MRVL calls hitting the tape on the day trade scanner. I would take these. These have been the best. The day trade's been the best. MRVL, guys. 14 cents. Target 17 to 21. Thank you. So day trade. Buy. MRVL. Already up, guys. 63 calls. For 14. Targets 17. Oh, there they go. They're starting to heat up, guys, a little bit. Up to 17. Target 1 about to get hit, guys. Day trade scanner hitting again. This thing's doing on fire, guys. That scanner is still available for sale, too, if you guys want that. That one probably will be sold out soon. Target 1 hit, guys. Target 1 hit, guys, in Marvell. Great trading, Alberto. It's like, I just paid for the scanner for a month. 260 bucks. Oh, what a trade, guys. Stock's starting to heat up a little bit. Like I said, guys, if you want to get that scanner, you can get it at optionhacker.com. You want to get that scanner, you can get that at optionhacker.com. Marvell about to hit 21 here, guys. Marvell about to hit 21. Goldman down $5. Weekly 390s are down to 40 cents. Got out at 80. We hit our stop loss. Moving on to the next trade. Marvell. 63s. 1920. If you got in at 14, you're up about 33% here. As you see the market going down, maybe you just want to take it off. Maybe say, hey, this trade's done me well. I'm going to take it off right now. Up to your own discretion what you guys want to do with that. Futures go whack. Goldman down to 35 cents. Damn. They won't let me go 30 bid for a 10 lot. I don't know why. I don't know why they won't let me buy them. 48-hour spike in Uber, guys. I'd only take these through spreads. 48-hour spike in Uber. 48-hour spike in Uber. Buy. Uber. 8-6. 2021. 42 calls for $2. Targets 3 and 4. I would only take these through spreads, guys. I would only take these through spreads here in Uber on the 48-hour spike. I would only take these through spreads in Uber, guys. I don't really like buying $2 options. So Uber, I'd only take through spreads. Uber, I'd only take through spreads. These are the 42s. They bought them for $2. Uber, I'd only take through spreads. So Uber. Okay, now Marvell is hitting. But you can't get the 8. You can get Uber 820. The Uber 820. 48.5's trading here. Those hitting Option Hacker. So, Option Hacker signal, guys. Buy Uber 820 2021. 48.5 calls for 42. Targets 60 and 80. So we see Uber calls being bought, guys. A lot of Uber calls being bought. So anything on Option Hacker I think is okay. We have an Option Hacker signal on Uber. Marvell is now showing up too. So Uber, guys, calls being bought. A lot of Uber calls being bought. 48.5, so you can get them here for 46. They paid 42. So someone thinks maybe the bottom is Uber as the market is getting crushed. VIX up another half. Maybe Uber has to do with the Delta variants. We don't know. Yeah, I'm just not looking to take August premium as the market reverses here. I'm just not looking for August premium as the market reverses. Goldman, weekly 390s, getting destroyed. Oh my God, Goldman's already moved down $9. Those are down to 30 cents. So if you want to take a flyer on Goldman at 30, I think they're okay. Your targets would have to be 45 and 60. Market straight down today. No signals today. Goldman has accurately moved $9 from high to low. Goldman has moved $9 from high to low. So maybe this is where it gets support down at the 312 level. 372 level, guys. Maybe Goldman finds support at the 372 level. So we have a 48-hour spike. We have an option hacker. We have a day trade. Day trade one has been a winner. Those are back down to 14. I would take this as an ATR trade, but for some reason my platform is not letting me take them. It was $1.50 a day. We are straight down. Even Tesla's not holding up. Market straight lower. If you're losing your shirt on two positions, you're probably trading too much in those positions. We say never risk more than 5% on any given trade. Never risk more than 5% on any given trade. Goldman calls back to 40. So you could have got it at 30 in Goldman, guys. Goldman, you could have got it at 30. The high today was $1.30. NVIDIA, I actually have a structured note in NVIDIA. They offered me another structured note. I said, no, no, no. Daily chart. Looks like it's going to take out the highs again. Keep an eye on that one. Oh, Marvell hit at 11 cents. So Marvell, both profit targets hit. Another huge winner on day trade scanner here on Marvell. Marvell, guys, I'm talking about it. Day trade scanner has been the best scanner we have. Sometimes you don't want to swing trade. Sometimes just day trade. You hit, if you got in this trade at the same price they hit our scanner, you're out for 37.5% profit. 37.5% profit. You're out for 25% profit and 50% profit. Ooh, my water's right here. Perfect. You have ATVI puts. AUG 95 puts. Can you explain why the put price goes up? Yeah, so put goes up. Put goes up as put goes up as the stock goes down. So the price of the put will go up as the stock goes down. That's just how options work. It's got a negative delta. Zoom weekly 3 1/4 is trading here 55 cents. 1100. Zoom. Somebody's back on the stay-at-home bandwagon. Damn, look at the market getting crushed. We got out of Edit. We got out of Goldman. We got out of Marvell. Nothing in Uber. Crone. Those were August 8th, right? 4,000 open interest here. You know, I don't like August premium. So if you wanted to get out of it, I wouldn't blame you. UAL. I'll be looking for a basket of structured notes in all the airlines. I think airlines are oversold. Doesn't mean you just randomly buy them. But I do think that airlines are oversold. You know, if they're about a huge call buyer for the airlines, I wouldn't disagree with them. Market taking it on the chin. Futures were up 10. Now they're down 10. So we have a 20-point reversal. Anything you're long is going to be down. If you have anything, you're going to be down. If you're long a 401k, if you're long a SEP, you're going to be down in all that. If you're long stocks, if you're long option positions, you're going to be down in that. Kroger's. We have day trading Kroger, guys. I like these in Kroger. Kroger, weekly 42s, day trade. Kroger, day trade. Day trade by Kroger. 8/6/2021, 42 calls for 18. Targets 23 and 27. Kroger is a day trade. I do like these guys. Kroger is a day trade. Kroger, day trade. Oh, Kroger on fire. Target one hit. Target one hit, guys, in Kroger. Weekly 42s. They're up to 23 now. Kroger, another winner in the day trade scanner. It's 2 trades, 2 winners. Doesn't matter the market's going down. Kroger calls hitting the tape and making money. Look at these things go, guys. These are the weekly 42s. WBA 48 and a halves. 20 cents? Let's see how many trade here. Next week calls in WB trading here. Kroger, guys, calls being bought. This week, 42s are up to 25 now. $72 more money Alberto's making. Great trading. So you can see here, right here, guys. Marvel hit, 11 cents. Both profit targets hit. Kroger, target 1 just hit at 23. Target 2 about to get hit at 27. That is good for 25% profit and 50% profit. So you would have made 37% profit on both these trades, guys. Quick, easy, you're in and out. It hasn't even been 30 minutes. If you had the day trade scanner, you could potentially make 75% profit on 2 trades, guys. That's great. Kroger, you can't chase them here. And this market is going down. VIX above 20. GameStop's got a day with 100. CREE calls being sold. No official signals yet. If these Uber calls get down to 20 cents, I might call this as a signal. Snow up $11. Wow. Snow up $11. I actually do have a structured note in that one. So Snow you can't chase here. Kroger, final target 27. This week, 42s. REE Nov 10s, 55 cents. I don't even know what that stock is. REE Automotive. Traded 97,000 shares. Those are cheap. Definitely buy those if you wanted to. Doesn't even have an ATR. Wow, those are really cheap. All right, I'm going to call a signal here in REE, guys. I'm going to call a signal in here in REE. 1450 Club. Official signal. Buy REE 11 19 2021. 10 calls for 55. Targets 75 and a buck. REE, guys. I'm calling a signal here in REE. Official signal. These are Novembers. This gives you an eternity away. REE. They're gone at 55. You can't get them anymore. There's about a 50 offered at 55. RE, guys. REE official signal. REE official signal. Nov 19th, 2021. 10 calls. This reminds me of Canoe. I like this signal. Stock has traded 100,000 shares. So they bought 2,000 options. That controls 200,000 shares of stock. And it only has traded 100,000 shares in REE. I think paying 60 is okay. Or you could try to wait for a pullback back. No ATR because it hasn't been trading long enough. No ATR because it hasn't been trading long enough. But I like this one. I think this one goes through 10 today. REE, Nov 19th, 2021. 10 calls. I like it here, guys. So let me put this one up here in REE. They're not at 95 now. They're at 60, 65. Target 1 will be 75. Target 2 will be a buck. REE actually did not hit any of our scanners. It was too far out. So let me put in this one. We did have a loser in edit. We got out at 115. This will be the first signal of the month, guys. 8/3/2021. We'll call it a tie. This is REE, November 19th. 10 calls. Your entry will be 55 cents. There's about 50 offered at 55. Doesn't mean everybody can get in. You have to be quick on this trade, guys. They're 65.70 right now. These are heating up, guys. 65.70. IGT quarters trading here. Futures coming back a little bit. Kroger. Target 1 hit. WBT trading here. REE calls are 60.70. If you did not get in, I would not be chasing this trade. There'll probably be another signal. If you did not get in, I would not be chasing this trade. Hopefully it'll be another signal. REE 65.70. So that's actually calmed down a little bit here. Only traded 119,000 shares. Johnson & Johnson calls being bought through the offer, guys. J&J calls being bought through the offer. I think these are interesting. If you're looking for something alongside J&J through the offer here, scan idea, not an official signal. Buy J&J 8/20/2021. 177.5 calls for 66 cents. Targets 91.20. So these are J&J calls. You might need a booster shot real soon. So this is a scan idea, guys. Oops, I'm putting in the wrong spot. Scan idea in J&J. So REE, I don't even know what they do. Let's see what they do here. One official signal. Futures down 8. I think there's a lot more downside today. I think there's a lot more downside. Filled at 60. Nice. 55, 65. You got you in at 55. If I wanted to take off Vodafone, I could. Kroger on a day trade, that's a winner. Marvel on a day trade, that's a winner. Day trades have been working out the best, guys. Lonzo Ball goes to the Bulls. Lakers are bringing back Dwight Howard. God, how old are the Lakers? Futures down 7 and a hook, 8.5. I think there's more downside today. I wouldn't less aggressively looking to get long. You know, REE is really far out. So REE is really far out. REE is really far out. Come on, baby. Give me something good. Futures down 9.5. REE 55.60. REE 55.60. PARR calls me bought in September. PARR calls me bought volume. Less than open interest. Kroger moving up here. Target 2 probably hitting here in Kroger. Target 2 hitting Kroger. It did get hit. I'd be exiting Target. I would be exiting Kroger here, taking my money and running around 25 cents. I'd be taking my money and running here in Kroger around the 25-cent level. You know, when day trade, the market goes down and you're making money on day trades, you gotta say, thank you. I'll move to the sidelines. Facebook getting absolutely destroyed since earnings. Let's see how high got. Down 30 from the highs. It's about 8% correction. I would not be putting any new money to work in any of the FANG names. XRT puts being bought here. Kroger bid. Final target 2 hit, guys. Both profit targets hit. And Kroger, guys, both profit targets hit. So if you look to see what has hit the tape so far today, option anchor flagged the signal on Uber. I said I'd only buy Uber through call spreads. 48-hour spike trading the signal in Uber. I said I'll only take spread. And then 2 day trades. Both day trades are winners, guys. I continue to pound it in your head. If you guys do not have the day trade scanner, I think you're crazy. You can get that at optionhacker.com. This scanner's been absolutely on fire. 11, both profit targets hit. 18, both profit targets hit. It's the best scanner they have right now. Optionhacker.com to buy the day trade scanner. And they will sell out of it, so I'd get in as ASAP. 14. Coinbase, AUG 375s, no. How's my good friend Hood? Oh, Robin Hood, exploding. Look at the future. Look at the VIX up a point here. VIX up a point. Ooh. Coinbase, AUG 375s. I would never buy these. AUG 375 in Coinbase. Coinbase, I would never take this trade. Those hit Option Hacker, guys. These hit Option Hacker, I would not take these. Coinbase, AUG 375s. I don't know what happened to happen in that. I'm surprised the VIX is not popping more. I'm surprised the VIX is not popping more. I mean, we're reversing from the highs. All the Chinese internet names are getting destroyed. I would not be looking to buy any of these guys. No, no, no. One signal today is an REE. It's, you know, technically a winner. It could go down very quickly. Nov 10s, we got you at a 55. They're 55.60. C-Day. Bonus trading today. Bitcoin down. I just use all the scanners for my own personal trading. So I got, I run 10 scanners in the background. 10 of them. Today we've only seen 5 signals on 10 scanners. I mean, Wells Fargo, 4 cents. I mean, I paid 15. I bought $30 worth. CPNG trading here. I wouldn't be buying anything here. Feb, 27.5 puts. The ATR trade. We had 2 ATR trades yesterday. We had 1 winner, 1 loser. So we had 1 winner, 1 loser. ATR trades. eBay tripled in value. So that pays for my losing trade. I'll let Wells Fargo go to 0. So eBay tripled in value yesterday. Those went from 15 to 45 cents, the weekly 70s. Now they're back down to 17. Marvell getting destroyed after target 2 was hit in Marvell. So Marvell target 2 hit, now getting destroyed. That. Goldman calls back up to 47. So if you happen to get in at Goldman at 30, you can take some off here at 47. So Goldman could have gotten down to 30 cents on some of those. Kroger, both targets hit. We can remove Kroger here. NWSA calls are down. News Corp, they bought a huge quantity of these yesterday. Someone bought about half $500,000 worth of News Corp. 25 calls. You never know if they're shorting stock against it. You know, if you're looking for something that's August, I think this is your best August position. NWSA quarters around 40 cents. NWSA quarters, you can get around 40 cents. I think they're okay. You know, stock would have to rally, obviously. We took an edit off her 5-cent loser. Sound is good. I'm in Dallas. SPWR. Free earnings. Amazon down another 23. I would not be touching any of the FANG names. I have structured notes in all of them, but I have so much downside. Amazon down $500 from the highs. Oops. Amazon down $500 from the highs. That is crazy. Let me try to move my microphone a little bit closer to my mouth. Roblox down $4. I like this one for long term. RBLX. HOG weekly 40s trading here, guys. HOG weekly 40s. Wow, look at these things go. They paid 60 cents for those, guys. HOG weekly 40s. They paid 60 cents. Keep an eye on HOG. 2,000 trading here in HOG, guys. HOG on fire. I don't know how they got those at 60 cents. My scanner fired those at 60 cents, guys. HOG weekly calls. HOG weekly 40s at 60 cents. Jeez. REE moving up a little bit here. I wouldn't be putting a bid in under the market. If you miss that trade, you miss that trade. American down. Has not breached those recent lows, though. So we had a recent low around 1827. So it's not breached those recent lows. I got up nice and early, and I worked out before the opening bell. Good job, AK. Vodafone up 15 cents. I think we go lower today. Let's do a little poll. Tijuana. I've been to Tijuana before. Instant poll. Oh, no. Goldman all the way back. I'm going to do a poll real quick. All right, here we go. Ready? Where do you think the stock market's going to go from today, guys? We have range higher, slightly lower, or crash. Cast your vote, and we'll see what the majority of you guys think. No one thinks it's going to crash, really. Kroger, beast mode, guys. Those are up to 40 cents in Kroger. Those just doubled in value. How do you like them apples, guys? Kroger. Calls just doubled in value. In day trade scanner, we trust. Kroger. Those calls just doubled in value here. Wow. Kroger, those calls doubled in value. I'm going to say lower. Got about 2 more minutes to cast your vote. It seems like most people think we're going to go lower. Seems like 64% of you guys think we're going to go lower here. 64% think you're going to go lower. Well, we will see if you were right. 77.5 and Johnson working out well now. All right, 65% say slightly lower. 65% say slightly lower. We'll see if you guys are correct. Johnson & Johnson calls up to 88 now. Goldman weekly is up to 60. So that's what I'm talking about, keeping an eye on options and then getting in pullbacks sometimes. Goldman calls, you could have got in at 30. If you got in at 30, you have both profit targets at 45 and 60. So if you got in at 30 cents, guys, you hit both profit targets there at 45 and 60. Talking about those. Too cheap. Kroger on fire. Calls double the value. I can keep track of the day trades. Let's go to the day trades. Day trades. Just made $1,500 in Goldman. Great trading. So today is 8/2/2021. We have MRVL in Kroger. 8/6/2021. We can do August 6th. And same thing here. Ooh, we need to add the calls. The 42 calls. We don't need to put 2021. August 6th. 42 calls. Ooh, they're 42 and 63s. Ooh. Signal hit at 11. Both profit targets were hit. That's 37% profit. And then Kroger calls hit at 18. Both profit targets were hit. $37% profit on those. Eight minutes to go, guys. 8 minutes to go. REE moving up a little bit. Kroger, both profit targets were hit. Hood 41.5. Wow. No options left. No options so far in Hood. I would not be buying Robinhood. Wow, just took out the highs here. Went from 33 to 41. Wow. That's crazy. And Coinbase did the complete opposite. Coinbase just goes straight down. Owl. Never heard of that one before. Futures up on the day. And Coinbase has gone down in half. Wow. So you see Hood up a third and Coinbase has gone down in half. That's kind of craziness. Johnson & Johnson profit target hit. Great trading. TTI set 2.5s. Let's go to the daily signals and see if there's anything from yesterday. So CPNG, let's look at that one. Macy's, Space, Billy. Macy's, Pinterest calls were bought yesterday. NWSA down in half. Comcast puts being bought here. Now futures are getting bid. Futures are bid. Your 5-minute bar long in Tesla. Yeah, Uber I don't hate. SPXW trading here, nothing to do in that one. Five minutes to go. To the bonus trading. Come on, baby. AMC 34 is being bought. Would not take anything in AMC. I wouldn't take anything in GameStop. There's probably a lot of people that have Option Hacker. Double B, October calls. ALLY, SEP doubles trading here. ALLY, SEP doubles. So if you got a little bounce back from the market and you're like a little scared or nervous, you can start getting out of some things right now as the futures came back. If you think the market's going to head back lower. Rob says he does. NWSA. CCJ, 10,000 calls being bought. CCJ, 10,000 calls being bought. Looks like a spread, so I wouldn't take anything here. This is a spread here, guys. CCJ. SEP 17 and 19s. Looks like a spread here. CCJ looks like a spread here. See, let's see some people taking advantage of the day trade scan thing. Futures bid. They like the market today. I thought we were going to go down. I still think we're going down. You're welcome, you're welcome, 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 welcome. Bonus trading right after this, guys. So all I have to do is log back on. If you pay for it, log back out. Roy, nice trading. Out of Johnson & Johnson, made $400. 360. Not 400, 360. Haha. Johnson up to 90. That would have hit target 1. Yeti puts being bought. Yeti 52-week high. Wow. I think I had a Yeti. I had an open position in Yeti and Overstock. All right, guys. Let's see everybody back in bonus trading. Thank